In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Pocket Edition with a PlayStation 4 controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend first opening up the game before connecting your controller if possible. So go ahead, create a world, join or do whatever before connecting your controller to your phone. After you are properly in the world and ready to play, now is the time to get your DualShock 4 controller or your PS4 controller and pressing the Start or PlayStation button plus Share. So press the two buttons I've highlighted on the image I am showing you and the light will start blinking. This indicates that the controller is now in Bluetooth pairing mode. Make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your device, and once the light starts blinking, the PS4 controller should be detected by the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and after you select the controller through the Bluetooth settings, you can just return to Minecraft and you will be able to natively use the DualShock 4 controller to play Minecraft on your phone. Keep in mind that if you cannot use the Bluetooth on your phone for whatever reason, you can also just use a cable or a wire to connect the DualShock 4 controller to your phone and play it using that way. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Pocket Edition with a PlayStation 4 controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.